B Flight, listen in to confirmatory orders. The task force's mission is to degrade and destroy enemy forces within Area Red. In order to achieve this, air will destroy tactical ballistic missiles and locate, track and destroy a high-value target known as Objective Copper. As the designated ground extraction force, we are to locate and recover a military advisor team in the vicinity of FOB Spade Adam in order to reintegrate at FOB Leeming. Our ORBAT for this mission is 2 8-man GEF teams with organic JTACs and SUAS operators. We will be utilising 2 Chinook CH-47s and 2 Apache AH-64s who will escort our air package and provide close air support controlled by our JTACs. Our time on target remains at 11:45. Chinooks 1 and 2, call sign Fozzie, will ingress from the south, simultaneously landing at HLS Gold. Immediately on landing, both GEF call signs will deplane, push north and secure the northern bun line. The Chinooks will then egress west. At this stage, integrated through the JTAC, Team 2 will launch the SUAS in order to conduct an immediate search of the area to the north. We must remain dynamic and fluid on the ground. I anticipate Team 1 will push west to ISOP 1 and authenticate. Team 2 will conduct an ISTAR search and be prepared to push north in order to locate and authenticate ISOP 2. Speed and aggression across the ground will be key to mission success.
Back, Golf 49279.